Hi, my name is Nick Beta, and I'm the executive chef here at Coe College. We have a great bread maker here on campus, and what she does every day is she'll come in, proof everything up, and then she'll take her time hand baking all the different various products that we do provide here. And then she'll go ahead and rest them out, trim them up, and get them set for whatever is appropriate nature for them at the time. She loves to bake. She loves the joy that comes out of baking, because baking does bring a joy out in people. People love the sweets. They like the savoriness of the bread. So she enjoys the reaction that she gets out of the product that she produces for everybody on a daily basis. Not all campuses take the time and the dedication to make their own bread. So that's one thing that we, wanting to be more involved with the community here at Coe, want to be able to provide things that we put more of our time into, that you don't go to a normal place and get just that regular bread out of the bag. You can tell that somebody took the time and the effort to do that. It makes us feel really good because it's a product that we do here in-house. It takes more time and dedication than there to do so. So with that being said, the joy that we get out of seeing everybody makes us feel good about the process that we go through to provide that to everybody.